Welcome back to another TTG marketing tutorial where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills. Today we are going to be covering a plugin for your WordPress site called Stream. And what Stream does is it allows you to keep a record of who is making edits on your site, when they are making those edits, and what it was that they actually did on the site. And it's a pretty simple installation process, especially if you've actually installed plugins on your WordPress site in the past. And even if you haven't done that, it's still relatively simple. Now, I just want to start off by saying that you should always back up your website before installing any third-party or anything in general to your site. Just in the case that something that you install breaks something on your site, then you can just revert back to the previous backup that you did. So I've gone ahead and backed up this site already, so I'm going to go ahead and install the plugin. So to do that, just come over to the left-hand sidebar when you log into your WordPress site, and then hover over it and click Add New. This will bring you to a page that allows you to search for plugins, and all you have to do is type in the word Stream in the search bar. And then it's not the first thing that comes up. On my screen, it was the third one that came up. Just click Install Now. Might take a few seconds. And then once you click that, just click the Activate button in the top right corner. And you always want to make sure that when you're installing a plugin that it says that it's compatible with your version of WordPress. And if it says that it's incompatible with your version of WordPress, you run a little bit higher of a risk when it comes to breaking something on your site when using or installing it. So once it's installed, you'll see on the left-hand sidebar that you have a new icon that says Stream. And when you click on it, you're probably going to see nothing because it's brand new and we haven't actually done anything since installing it. So for demonstration purposes, I'm actually just going to head on over to another one of our clients' websites and take a look at their Stream feed. So same idea, just click on the icon that says Stream, and then you'll see an entire list of what's been going on the site. So you'll be able to see that I logged in or someone logged in. You'll see what they did, when they did it, as well as the IP address that they did it from. So this can be very helpful, as you can imagine, and we definitely recommend installing it on any WordPress site that you work on, just so that you can keep a record of what's been done and when it was done and by whom. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.